Hey, Q, how you doing, man? What's up?
Dabu, today I got something for you. You like to get high, no? Yeah. You like to get the buzz. The buzz, the buzz, the buzz. You like to get stoned, no?
Yeah, so what you got, Q?
I got the big, big secret. Secret. You ain't got shit. Yes, I do, Dabu. Yes, I do.
What you got?
I going to show you how to get high for the rest of your life for less than $30. Shit, for the rest of my life. It's true, Dabu. It's true. For the rest of your life.
And for less than $30?
Bullshit. That right, Dabu? $29.99. $29.99? That's just a penny less than $30. What the fuck am I gonna do with a penny? You can put the penny in the piggy bank. Fucking piggy bank. Or you can save the penny for a rainy day.
Why I don't pop that penny just right up your ass?
You going to put the penny up my ass?
Man, I will shove that shiny penny straight up your ass.
If you put that penny in my ass, I'm going to make the fart, and the penny is going to shoot out like a bullet, and it's going to kill you.
No, Q. Don't go and shoot that anus stink penny at me.
Don't fuck with me.
Damn, Q. You's a cold-hearted motherfucker.
Do not fuck with me.
No, Q. But hey, man, tell me, how can I get high for the rest of my life for $30?
Okay, Dabu, I show you. Look at this.
I dream